Rubik cubes for beginner. This is an easy way of solving Rubik cubes, and we do it step by step to form each layer. In Rubik cubes, normally the white face is facing downward and the yellow face always upward. And for me, there is no particular color which is front or side or side. We have to use only 4 movements here. The right, left, up, and front. Now we are going to solve the first layer. First layer, as we have to remember that the white one is always downward. First thing to do is to form a DC form. So what is the DC form? The DC form is like this. Yeah. White here, white here, white here, white here. So, and then yellow here. And then next step for that, we have to build the white cross. And then after the white cross, we have to solve the angular or the corner piece. Okay? So before doing that one, we have to mix up our cube. Okay, so I think I mix it already, and so let's start to do the DC form. So DC form, as I told you, white here, white here, white here, and white here. So this is the edge piece. So let's start to look the white, or this one. I found one. So since we have to put it here or here or here or here, so we have to move it front counterclockwise, okay, and then right clockwise. So well, okay, we need to solve the tree, another tree. So where are they? So here there is one. So here we need only to solve it like this, but it compromise for this this piece. So we have to turn it away so that it will not move to another face. So, and then now we have to move it. Okay, so now we have two. Another we have to search another two. So the other one is here. So the same, we have to turn it here, and this one. Okay, so the other one, it's here. So from down to up. So it is needed 180 degree, but it is on this side. So this one we have to turn away so that it will be free. Okay, now this is the free space, and we have to turn it for 180 degrees. So 1, 2. So the DC form is done. Now from the DC form, we have to proceed to the white cross. So white cross, it must be needed to be aligned also with the edge piece into a center piece. So the color must be aligned as well. So since this is blue and green, it is not good. And this is orange and red, this is not good. And orange and green, which is not good. And this one is blue and red, which is not good. So to make it right, we have to turn it and search for his color. So this one is blue and blue. After this one, we have to turn it 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. So that is 180 degrees. Okay. And now here we have to search for more for the green. Green is here, so we have to turn it for 90 degrees. And now 180 degrees. And then the other side, well, this one is red and red. Well, we have to turn it 180 degrees. And this one is orange and blue. So we have to turn it into the orange. So now orange and orange, so 180 degrees. And look, wow, we have already the white cross, which is the good, which is perfectly done in the sense that, well, it is also aligned with its color, orange, orange, blue, blue, and red, red. Now we are going to proceed for the third step to solve the first layer. Yeah. So now the problem is the angular piece. So to solve this one, like this, well, this one orange, blue. So we have to search the orange, blue, and white. So orange, blue, and white. So this is the orange, blue, and white. So we have to solve this one by putting this blue color into its centerpiece. So we have to search the centerpiece of the blue. It's a green, it's a red, now it's a blue. So on these guys, there is now the centerpiece of the blue. So this piece, we have to put it here. So how to do that one? So the movement that we are going to do is to move it away to the left side. So it will be the movement of U. Okay, it means 1. And now the front, it will be clockwise. So, and now back to the up counterclockwise. So it means U prime. And now the front, it will be counterclockwise or F prime. So let us see. Well, it is in his position, guys. It's alright because orange, orange, and blue, blue, and white, white. Now we have to solve the 3 more angles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do it here. So the red, blue, and white. So the red, blue, and white. So this is the red, blue, and white. So as I told you, for the reference, we could say the point of reference, we have to search. Now the point of reference is not here because the white is facing upward. So if the white is facing here on our front, that will be no problem, and to search the point of reference for that. So since this one, we have to put it here, so we have to turn it back to turn right clockwise. So R, and then the up direction into clockwise twice. Okay, and then we have to put it back here, so the right side, so that it will be aligned on the cross, white cross that we prepared earlier. So now the white cross is back, and now the corner that we are searching, the blue, red, and white, is here. So since the white is facing here, let us search the blue that is also facing. So the point of reference of the blue, oh, this one is here. So since the blue is here and they, they are now in a point of reference, so we have to turn it to the right. Okay, to the left. Okay, we have to put it away, and we have to turn the front counterclockwise, and we have to put up counterclockwise, clockwise I mean, and then clockwise for the front. So let us see. Wow, it's perfectly done. Red, red, and blue, blue, and here. So we have only 2. So For the last two, we have to search the white. Okay, this is the white and the red. So let us search the red as a point of reference, and this is the red. So since it is the red and we have to put it away to the right, so it means the up counterclockwise, up prime. And now the front counterclockwise, F prime. And now we have to go back to the up clockwise and then front clockwise. So the three sides, the three angles are done. So the last one is here. So how to do this one? So first and foremost, we have to take away this one here because we have to turn it, the side one, the orange will be here and the green will be here and the white will be here. So how to take it to this one? So we have to put it away, right, and then up, and then we have to turn it back so that it will be back to its original position. And now the white is here, the piece is here, so we have to put it back and right again and put it twice. Now the white is facing here. So since the white is facing here, we have to search the green side, the green face. So this is the one. So guys, the same procedure, as long as that the green color is aligned. So we have to do the clockwise, counterclockwise up, and the front counterclockwise, and up clockwise, and front clockwise. Now look, we already solved the first layer. Yeah, that is correct, since it is all the green is the colors is all in their place and the white. Now we are going to solve the second layer. So to solve the second layer, we need only to solve the edge piece. So this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, well, first and foremost, we're going to do to search the edge piece which is on the top position. So like this one is already on the top, the orange and green. So we have to search the orange centerpiece. Okay, this is the orange centerpiece as our reference, point of reference. Now we found it. Now since this is green, we have to search the green, so it means that we have to put it here. So orange and green. So to put this one here, we have to move it away. So up counterclockwise, and since this we have to take this one, we have to move it out. Okay, and then we have to put it back to the point of reference, and this one we have to put it also back to align here. Yeah, so now as we notice here, there is no white anymore. The white is here and the point of reference is orange, and this is the orange one. So remember the first formula that we did while ago. So this is the orange and orange, and we have to put it away, and then we have to turn the front one and then to put it back, and then on this moment, well, the white is in line, and also the green is also in line. Yeah, and the edge. So we have to move the last move. Now the edge is on a line and it is already in the right position. So let us search the another other edge piece, which has a color, two colors, that like this, orange and blue. So now for the blue, we have to search the center piece. So the center piece of blue is here. So the same procedure. Okay, the orange will be here and the blue will be here. So since we found out already the center piece, we have to turn it away. And since we have to change this one, we have to move this one up. And we have to align again the blue and on its centerpiece. So we have to go put it back here, the white, and the same, it happened already. The white is facing there and the blue is always is already aligned. So the same procedure as we did before. Okay, turn the right up and then front and then up counterclockwise and front counterclockwise. So let's see. It's all aligned already. Yeah, so we need to solve the other two. So to solve the other two, I have to prepare to solve first this one, the blue and the red. So because we have to take out this color because we need it for the other side on here. Okay, so the blue and red is here, so we have to turn it and search the red. And well, the red is here and the blue is here, so we have to put this piece over here. So to transfer this piece, the same procedure, turn it away and turn it up and put it back, and this one put it aligned. So well, like the formula that we did in the first layer, so we have to turn it away and front one and put it back and put it aligned. So problem is solved. Now for the last piece is red and green. So since red is facing here, so we have to search the center piece of red. The center piece of red is here and the green is here, so this is the one. So since we put this one is here, we have to turn it away to the left. Okay, and then since we change this one, we have to change this one and then put, then back, same, and the white is here, so then the front one, then put it back, and then so well, the second layer is done. Okay, now for the last layer, we have to solve it here. So first we have to form the yellow cross. Okay, so this is only one and we have to put another 4 yellow here. Well, we could not say that it is already good, but this one is a yellow cross. We have to form a yellow cross. So to form that one, we have to search the yellow and yellow. Well, the yellow are here. So we have to do this formula. Okay, clockwise, front clockwise, and then move it the right clockwise, and then up clockwise, and then after that one we have to put it back all in all because we are already broken here, so to realign. Okay, and then here we have to realign also the white. Okay, and put it back here. Okay, so now all is back, and here yellow is already here. Yeah, we have two, but to solve this one we have to spin the cube and to put the right angle, it should be here and here. So this one, it will be we have to do the same move, and what will be happen, the yellow will be here and the other yellow will be here, and after that one, the last move. So same movement, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So look what happened, it becomes straight, and do the same movement and it will become cross. Yeah, so same movement, 1 2 3, put it back and put it back and put it back. Now the cross is done. So after the yellow cross, we have now to solve to align the colors of to its centerpiece, the edge piece into its centerpiece. This one is wrong because red orange. This one is right because green green, and this one is blue red, which is wrong. Orange blue is wrong. So but we can do some solution for this, like well, turning this one like here, orange and blue. So we have two already, which is right. So orange and blue, and now the problem is blue, red and green. So to do this one, we have to change this piece into here. So to do, we have to change this one, we have a formula for this. So let us remember like this to do this one, which are right algorithm. Okay, 1, and then put it twice, 2, put it back and put it back, and now realign. So, and let us check. Okay, so green is on this position, red, blue and orange. So we did the yellow cross perfectly. Now we are going to solve the angular, so the last piece, in order to solve the third layer. So first and foremost, we have to search the right angle. So the right angle, which is means like this, green, orange and yellow. So it is in the right position. So let us see. This one is not good since it is red and orange and green, so it is not good. And this one as well, which is not good, and this one which is not good. This is only one which is the right direction, so right angle. So to have since this is the right angle and these three are not, so we have to do this formula in order to interchange these three and to become to put it in on the right position. So like this one, red, green, it must be here. The red, green, and orange, it must be here. So the blue, orange and yellow, it must be here, and this one, it must be here. So to realize that one, to interchange this one, we have to do this formula. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let us check. The right angle remains, and the red and now is red and blue. It's not yet. So well, since this is the right angle, we have to do another move. So same formula. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's see. Look, it is in a right position. Now we already have two good angles, 1, 2, and it remains here. So this one, in order to solve, we have to do two right moves, a combination of left and no, a right, because this is we have to solve it in a right side. So first, the right algorithm plus the left algorithm. So how to do that one? We have to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the right algorithm. And now the left algorithm. Same phase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need another move. Now the yellow is here, is facing here. So it means if the yellow is facing there, it will be the last move. So the same procedure, the same algorithm. So first the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the left algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Look, our cubes are done. So if you like it, guys, please subscribe and follow for the next video.